Bars 9 to 12 should be straightforward enough because bars 9 and 10 are this riff. And then 11 and 12 just repeat that. So all we need to do is learn the first 2 bars and we've learnt the whole lot. So it starts with an E, and that's just on the open E string, the 6th string, and that's a quarter note, so 1. And then it jumps up an octave. It jumps to E on the 4th string on the 2nd fret, and that's a quarter note as well. So we've got 1, 2. So E, E. And if we're thinking in terms of the major scale, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 there is your E again. So it's an octave jump. Then we drop down to a D natural, which is the open 4th string. And that's an 8th note. And then we've got another 8th note, which is a B, which is on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Then another 8th note, which is the open A string, so it's an A, and that's the 5th string. And then we've got the open E string, so we're back to our E that we started on. And you can see that's actually based on the minor pentatonic scale. So on the way down, it just misses out the G. I'll play that really slowly. So we've got E, E, D, B, A, E. Lots of different ways to pick this. You'll probably find the easiest way is to do a downstroke for the first E, a downstroke for the second one, then for the D, stick with a downstroke, downstroke for the B, upstroke for the A, and then a downstroke for the E. Then the second half of the riff, so that's bar 10 and bar 12, we start on the G, because in the bass line we've actually got a G chord being played. So we start with a G, and there's 2 8th notes on that. The G is on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. You'll probably find it easiest to play with your 3rd finger. Then we've got an 8th note on A, which is the open 5th string. Then using our 2nd finger, we can go back to B, which again is the 2nd fret of the 5th string. And then we have a half note on D, which is again the open 4th string. So that entire second bar sounds like this. An easy way of remembering the rhythm would be T, T, milkshake, 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 T, E, which would cover both bars, and both bars together would sound like this. I'll do that again. And I'll do it really slowly now, and I'll play it twice through as if I'm doing the whole of bars 9 to 12.